Here's a weekend wrap-up, round 5 of the Lucas Oil AMA Pro Motocross Championships at Toyota Trucks Thunder Valley National in Lakewood, Colorado. Jason Wygant here to give you the call. It's give you the 250 class highlights. Christophe Pourcel, points leader coming into the event, puts his Monster Energy Pro Circuit Kawasaki out front early. Has to weather a storm, a challenge from his teammate Dean Wilson and also Trey Canard. And then Pourcel, a couple laps in, said, "Sick and tired of playing these games, I'm taking off." And he did. He would win the moto. Wilson would hold off Canard, second and third. Moto number 2, a bad start for Pourcel. Canard's going to grab the whole shot on his Geico Power Sports Honda. Had his teammate Blake Wharton behind him to run some defense. Canard took off. Wharton had to deal with the Kawasaki Brigade. Wilson was behind him. Rattray was behind him. Pourcel was behind him. The only Monster Kawasaki rider not in the hunt was last year's winner at Colorado. Jake Weimer had a terrible moto, went down a bunch of times. Better luck next week for Jake. And about halfway through the race, Pourcel was sick of waiting. He got around Rattray, he got around Wilson, he got around Wharton, and then he closed the gap on Trey Canard. And they had a great battle out front. Canard gave it everything he had, but eventually the Frenchman was able to go from outside to inside to take over the lead. And from there would go on to go 1-1 for the first time this year, sweeping both motos, winning the overall and extending his points lead, with Canard and Wilson rounding out the podium overall spots. Let's go to the 450 class. Moto number 1, Andrew Short, the home track specialist, grabs the lead. He has Ryan Dungey and Josh Grant behind him after Ben Townley falls from second place. And then Short would fall himself. That would lead Dungey to battle with Josh Grant. And Josh Grant did what most people have not been able to do this year. He caught, he passed, and he pulled away from Ryan Dungey to win the moto. Dungey will finish up in the number 2 position. Tough luck for your series champion Chad Reed, who would only be able to finish 10th, was not able to move forward after a bad start. Mike Alessi ended up 12th, and Short was 8th after that crash while leading. Let's go to moto number 2 of the 450s. This time the whole shot's going to go to Short again, but Dungey was right there, was able to get around him a couple laps in and pull away to an uncontested 1-1 score. Behind him, a tremendous battle between 3 Honda riders. Short had to deal with Ben Townley, who moved into second, and then Brett Metcalf was there battling Short for the podium in the moto. Those 3 riders would stay glued to each other all the way to the finish, with Alessi putting in a much better ride this time in 5th. All 4 of those riders were close over the line, but Townley is going to end up second overall in front of Metcalf, squeezing Short and Alessi off of the box. As for Josh Grant, the first moto winner, he was down in the first turn. Valiantly fought back to get inside the top 10, but that wasn't good enough for an overall. Also, Chad Reed fell in the first lap of this moto, which hurt his results as well. And the women's class was back in action. The WMX once again serving up more domination. Jessica Patterson, the Star Racing DNA Shred Sticks Yamaha. She wins both motos. Moto 1 was dry. Moto 2 was wet. They actually held it for a few minutes while the rain came down. Once it let up, Patterson didn't. She pulled away to win both motos. Ashley Filek and Tara Geiger tangled in the first moto, so that messed up their overall scores. You also had a couple other riders in the hunt, including Sarah Price, Vicky Golden, and Mariana Balby. Great battling between all those riders, but Patterson ends up with the win. Once again, undefeated on the season. That's your highlights from Colorado. We'll catch you next week from Redbud in Buchanan, Michigan. Go to allysports.com for more.